Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aubrey and this is Mommy.
Hi.
So we born the Easter egg.
Yes. So today we're gonna dye the eggs. I'm gonna show Aubrey how we dye eggs. She never did it before, so let's get started. Okay, so today we have
water, eggs,
and this is vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yes, and these are the little dyes
that
we have to put in the containers.
Put in the containers.
Okay, so let's start. What color is this?
Blue.
So let's put it in the blue. Be good. So then what color is this?
Pink.
Let's put it in the pink one. Good. This one. This one.
Orange.
Very good. So these, they didn't come the color of the containers, which I'm confused about, but we're just gonna put them in there. So we have, what color we have here?
Pink.
It looks more red. Red. We're gonna put it here. And we have, it's like a brown, so we're just gonna put it in. Okay, so according to instruction, it says that we have to put some vinegar. I put some vinegar in a cup. Sure. You could put some, it says to put it to the first line. If you look, you see that it gives us a little measuring cup. So we're gonna put a little bit, not too much now. Okay. And now let's do this one. Not too much. Okay. Oh, do you hear it? Do you hear the sizzling?
Yeah, look.
What's going on?
It's floating.
It's melting. It's melting the dye. Okay, let's put it in. Very good. Green. So you see the colors now. Okay. Ooh. And then we have pink. Your favorite color is pink. Okay, a little more. Put a little more. Okay. Very good. So now, after we put the vinegar, it says to add water.
Water.
So we're gonna get the water.
Get the water.
So now, if you add a little more water to the next line. I'm not sure. Okay, let's add the water. Okay. Nice. We're adding it to this line. Okay. Very good. Are you excited about Easter?
Yeah.
When is Easter?
Monday.
No, it's Sunday, tomorrow.
Sunday, tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to put enough so that it can cover the whole egg. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's put some more. Okay. And then we're going to put some more for the pink. Okay.
No.
Wait, not yet. We're going to put the egg. But I'm wondering if we should maybe you could take this and stir it.
Yeah.
Stir it. Very good. Just to make sure that everything is all in there. Okay. Alright, so what color is this? Green. Very good.
Ooh.
This one looks, yeah, it looks red, right?
Yeah.
See, it's still in there. Uh-oh, mix it up some more. Very good. Okay.
Blue.
Then we have blue. Oops, be careful. Okay. So, now we're going to do the dipping of the eggs. Okay, so let's start. We have one egg. it says to, let me do one and then you do the other one.
Okay.
You're supposed to put it in this, but this seems a little light, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Okay, because you don't want to drop it in there. Oh.
Whoa!
Oops. Okay.
It turned pink.
All right. It seemed like we're just gonna have to put it in there. We could just place it with our hands because this is very weak. I don't know what they thought they were doing with this. Don't drop it though. Just place it in really nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't drop it. Ooh.
Ooh.
Get your hands.
It's green.
Put it in there.
We just don't do the other eggs down the bowl.
Yeah, we boiled a lot of eggs, but we're probably gonna do some of them more than one. We have 4 eggs left. We're probably gonna do more. Okay, so we have to sit and let it sit for a little bit, right? Are you having fun so far? And they also, in the pack, they gave us like a magic crayon, they said. I guess after it's dried, she could like color on it or do whatever she wants to do with it. So we'll try that after it's dried, okay? So we'll be right back. Let's see how long it takes to do. We're gonna count and let you know when we're back.
1 eternity later.
Welcome back.
So far, this is how it came out. Can you see up close, personal? So beautiful, right, Aubrey? You like it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you could go ahead and start coloring on those. And we still have the other set that's still soaking, so I'm going to take them out. I'm going to show you how we took them out.
Can I try them?
Sure, go ahead. So this is the pink one. So yeah, this thing is useless. Okay, let's put this here. And let's just put this to the side.
Okay,
This
not
one.
working.
It's not working? No. Then we have the green. Let's put this aside so we have no accidents. And this is the green one. See, it comes out pretty cool.
That pink hole.
Only thing is the dye might get in your hand, but it's cool. It's a green one. It's so pretty.
It's a
I love these colors. I love these spin colors. Which one is your favorite one, Aubrey?
the pink one.
The pink one
And green one.
and the green one. Okay. Wow, you did such a great job, Aubrey. Pretty good for your first time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and this one we didn't have any more eggs. Okay. So what's going on over here? Are you trying to color? It's not working? No?
Yeah.
No? Alright, it's alright. I have some glitter. Maybe we could put some glitter on it and make it colorful. Or you could even get your markers if you want and you could write on it too. Okay? Okay. Let's show them your eggs. All done. Thank you guys for tuning in with us again. Remember to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Peace.
Peace.